Hello, aspiring nail technicians. Welcome to the world of acrylic nails, where creativity meets precision. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your skills, this series is designed just for you. I'm so excited to embark on this acrylic journey with you. We'll explore everything from the basics to advanced techniques, ensuring you have a solid foundation to build upon. Acrylic nails are incredibly versatile, allowing for endless creativity. You can experiment with various designs, colors, and shapes to create unique looks for every occasion. In this first installment of our beginner series, we'll be diving into the fundamentals of acrylic application. We'll cover essential topics such as nail preparation, choosing the right tools, and understanding the different types of acrylic products available. Get ready to master the basics of prepping, applying, and shaping acrylic like a pro. We'll also share tips and tricks to help you avoid common mistakes and achieve a flawless finish. So gather your supplies, set up your workspace, and let's begin this exciting journey into the world of acrylic nails together. Just like an artist prepares their canvas, nail preparation is paramount for long-lasting, beautiful acrylics. This crucial step ensures proper adhesion and prevents lifting. We'll be covering everything from cuticle care to gently buffing the nail surface for optimal acrylic application. Remember, a smooth and prepped nail is key. Once your nails are prepped, it's time for a thorough cleanse. We'll be exploring the importance of removing dust, oils, and debris from the nail plate using a specialized nail cleanser. This step ensures a clean and sterile surface, promoting strong adhesion and preventing potential issues like lifting or infections. Choosing the right nail tips is essential for a natural-looking acrylic application. We'll discuss the different tip sizes and shapes available and how to select the perfect fit for each nail. Then we'll delve into the application process, ensuring proper placement and a secure bond between the natural nail and the tip. Section 5. Shaping your masterpiece, trimming and refining. This is where your creativity truly comes to life. The foundation has been laid, and now it's time to sculpt and refine your work of art. With the tips securely in place, it's time to shape them to your liking. This step is crucial as it defines the final look of your nails. Take your time to examine each tip carefully before you start shaping. Whether you prefer a classic square, a trendy almond, or a daring stiletto, the choice is yours. Each shape has its own unique appeal and can dramatically change the overall look of your nails. We'll explore the characteristics of each shape to help you decide. We'll guide you through the trimming and filing process. It's important to use the right tools and techniques to achieve the best results. Watch closely as we demonstrate the proper way to trim and file your nails to perfection. Learn how to achieve smooth, even edges. This step ensures that your nails not only look good but also feel comfortable. We'll show you how to smooth out any rough spots and create a flawless finish, and create the desired shape for your acrylic masterpiece. Precision is key here, and with our tips and tricks, you'll be able to perfect your technique and achieve stunning results. Let's get started on shaping your masterpiece. Section 6. Blending away boundaries, creating a seamless transition. For a flawlessly natural look, blending the nail tips into your natural nails is crucial. We'll be using a fine grit file to smooth the transition between the natural nail and the tip, eliminating any visible ridges or lines. This step creates a seamless canvas for the acrylic application. Section 7. Acrylic application, mastering the 3-ball technique. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, applying the acrylic, we'll introduce the 3-ball method, a classic technique for achieving a smooth and even acrylic application. Learn how to create the perfect bead of acrylic, apply it to the nail, and shape it to your desired thickness. Section 8. The final touch, shaping, buffing, and perfecting. With the acrylic applied, it's time for the final touches. We'll refine the shape, smooth out any imperfections, and buff the nails to a high shine. This step ensures that your acrylics are not only beautiful but also durable and long-lasting. Section 9. You've got this, tips and tricks for acrylic newbies. Starting your acrylic journey can feel a little overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll wrap up with some helpful tips and tricks specifically for beginners. From product recommendations to troubleshooting common mistakes, we'll equip you with the knowledge and confidence to conquer the world of acrylics. Section 10. Your journey continues, resources and inspiration. This section is all about providing you with the tools and inspiration you need to keep growing and improving your acrylic nail skills. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, there's always something new to learn and explore. Congratulations on completing the first step in your acrylic nail journey. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more confident and skilled you'll become. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of the learning process. Each set of nails you create will be better than the last. We encourage you to explore additional resources, experiment with different techniques, and seek out inspiration from various sources. There are countless online tutorials, books, and courses available that can help you refine your skills and discover new styles. Join online communities and forums where you can share your work and get feedback from fellow nail enthusiasts, and most importantly, have fun with it. Nail art is a form of self-expression and creativity. Enjoy the process and don't put too much pressure on yourself to be perfect. Have nail art parties with friends, try out new designs together, and make it a fun and social activity. Stay tuned for more tutorials in this series where we'll dive deeper into advanced acrylic techniques and nail art. We'll cover topics like intricate designs, using different tools, and even how to fix common mistakes. Our goal is to help you become a confident and skilled nail artist. Happy creating! Remember, the journey of learning and improving never ends. Keep experimenting, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep having fun. We can't wait to see what amazing designs you'll come up with next. Until then, happy painting.